What is good, YouTube? It's your guy Be More Bread back at you with a quick little video. If you tuned into the last video, you saw I purchased the 2002 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide Classic. I am in the garage tinkering with it, just to modifying things here and there, seeing how this build is going to progress and things that I'm going to do to it. So if you guys been following the channel, this is my 21 Lowrider S, and I'm running Advan Black's whole shop bags here. These are for 2014 and up touring bikes, and then I'm running the soft tail brackets, right? Long story short, there's the Electra Glide bag, there's the Electra Glide. Pull these brackets off here and mounted this 2014 Saddlebag up. Honestly, it was really easy, and it opens up too, doesn't hit, plenty of clearance, not rubbing. You can see my finger here, not rubbing at all. But essentially this bracket here, all I did, there was already a notch. I was going to try to Dremel this out so I can adjust this bracket to get it to fit, and honestly all I did was bust it loose, spin it a little bit, moved it up. There was already a notch in it, and they lined right up. Got plenty of clearance for the shock. Bag doesn't rub at all, doesn't touch. It's like barely, the lid's barely missing the side cover here. But I'm gonna add a spacer or two just to pop it out some, so to speak. See the back, got plenty of clearance on the light, clearance at the shock, but plenty of clearance. Let's close it. Didn't close it all the way, but plenty of clearance there, clearance at the shock, and they're on there, mounted on there. Took the Electra Glide brackets off here. I'm gonna swap these out, and yeah, 2014 and up bags mount right up. Just bust that bracket loose right in there, slide it up, and we're golden, man. We are golden. All I did was take that bag off, grab a 7/16 wrench, broke that nut loose, adjusted that bracket, mounted right up. So if you guys didn't know that, now you know. See there, wheel, front wheel will be going on this bike here soon. Going there on this bike. Just in here trying different things to see where this build goes. Really stoked about those bags fitting just like that. Looks like I'm gonna have to order me a set of whole shop bags from Advan for this bike. I'm gonna give you before. So this is the original bag right here. My neighbor rolling out. Ready to head out. But yeah, original bag right there with all the brackets and all that on there. 2014 plus bag on this side. All I did was remove that bracket and remove that saddlebag rack and adjust that little mounting bracket down there, and the bag's lined right up, man. It's a bunch of bikers around here. So this is the bracket that I adjusted right here. As you can see, it already has a little slot. So all I did was literally busted that loose, twisted it a little bit this way, counterclockwise, and tapped it that way. This one didn't do nothing to it. Lines right up, plenty of clearance with the shock, and it's real snug up against this side cover here. But if I add a spacer or two, I think I should be able to get a little bit of more clearance. It's not rubbing or anything, but I am right up against that. So what I'm gonna do is probably add like a spacer here to bring the bracket out, and the spacer here, a little small 1/4 inch, or just a small, not too much, just to poke it out a little bit and get it a little bit further away from this side cover. But yeah, man, all I did was bust that one loose, turn it this way, and slide it up towards the nut a little bit, towards the bolt, and line right up. And that's it right there. This one, like, it sits closer than the other side, so you can adjust this bracket here too and move it so you can move the bag forward a little bit. But honestly, I'm getting rid of this whole assembly, and I'm going with like a smaller assembly where it'll be just the fender, so this won't even be here. So with it being, you know, real close right there, you still got clearance, but with it being close right there, it won't affect the bag. And these bags are from my Lowrider S. I'm just kind of test fitting everything. Well, hell yeah, 2014 bags on a 2002 Electra Glide Classic. You got, look, clears the tour pack, so you can get in there, do what you need to do. You got clearance here, like it's real tight. But like I said, I'm gonna do a spacer. Like there's like gotta be like less than a 1/4 inch of clearance. But I'm gonna put a spacer on there on those brackets. But yeah, this will give it a much more updated look. Get a nice two in the one that flows over here. Hell yeah, man. Just seeing what this build's gonna look like. Like I said, quick video, 2014 bags, 2014 and up bags on a 2002 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide. Fit, and they lined right up, man. Just wanted to share with you guys what I discovered. So like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you guys tuning in once again. Catch you on the next one. Peace.